baking is like life for Bhuti. It takes love, patience, and hope. And hope is what brought her to India, like several other Tibetans.
मैं तिब्बत से इंडिया में जब मैं 6 साल का हूँ उस टाइम आया था थ्रू द पैदल से आया था इंडिया में थोड़ा हमको थोड़ा
Amidst the challenges of starting anew in foreign land, Bhuti's parents worked hard tirelessly to send her to baking school. Though she rose to become its chef at 5-star hotel, she felt something was missing, and her quest for purpose finally led her to Lha. Not only Bhuti, there are several other stories of hope and resilience nurtured at Lha.
First time in my life, I'm very happy. I'm lot of new knowledge from Lha Charitables. Thank you so much.
Here at Lha, our mission is to empower Tibetan refugees and the communities from Himalayan regions by providing them education and skills which is needed to build a sustainable career.
ane choro so kadila tene nganzo gi tanda bada ane koju zo ya ta iji jo ran tene ji koga shwa ti mi se ge thushe se yi ane number 6 ma ngi de dolon chi ne ane de phe ne ji nganzo rotu so la ane shen ge tene ge thjo no wa te la ane mi se ge thushe na she yi
พอมาเรียนภาษาอังกฤษที่นี่ก็คุณครูที่เป็นอาสาสมัครภาษาอังกฤษในภาษาอังกฤษนะคะก็พยายามทุ่มเทแล้วก็สอนเราให้พัฒนาภาษาอังกฤษตอนนี้รู้สึกว่าภาษาอังกฤษของตัวเองเนี่ยพัฒนาขึ้นเยอะมาก
Driven by compassion and shared belief in building brighter futures, volunteers come here from across the world and create beautiful connections with Lha community.
Now I'm leaving, and I'm leaving behind a part of myself here that I want to bring back and take with me forever.
And Lha is a very good opportunity for people who want to volunteer and learn about different culture. I really enjoy helping others and teaching all the students they have.
My time at Lha has really been nothing short of magical. It's really, really special, and I'm really glad that I get to stay here for a long time and form connections that I'll carry with me throughout this lifetime and hopefully into the next.
I'm certainly going back with memories of lifetime, and I have received much more that I have given back to them.
Every shared moment ends with nostalgia and even more brighter smiles.
Thank you, Lha.
thank you so much
Thank you, Lha.
Thank you, Lha.